Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Capgemini is hiring for Associate Software Engineer role. Here, if you will see, is the entry level in software engineering. Okay, so that means fresher can apply for it. Okay, so this is a new role. And if you'll see professional community, so this is basically administrative support, Hyderabad location. See here, 10th of September is the job when it is posted, but you do not worry about this. Experience level, they have put experienced professional. But here if you'll see, this is entry level. That is the reason I showed you. Friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you, right? See, any job opportunity which we bring, okay, see this, whatever Capgemini you are applying, right, through the superset profile or through the college is different. And see, this is totally different, that is on Capgemini portal itself and for the particular location Hyderabad. So you do not think much like what will happen if I'll apply here, apply there. Second thing, friends, see, whatever opportunities we are putting, you just apply it. See, anyway, what are the things we need to do? Earlier also I mentioned, are you working on some NASA project? Do you have any plans to go to Mangal Grah, on any planet, or maybe on to Chandrama, moon or sun? No plans, right? So please apply. If they call you, you are lucky. If they don't call you, then you are not lucky. Simple. So here, works in the area of software engineering, which encompasses the development, maintenance and optimization of software solution application. Applies scientific method to analyze and solve software engineering problems. He/she is responsible for the development and application of software engineering practices and knowledge in research, design, development and maintenance. Her work requires the exercise of original thought and judgment and the ability to supervise the technical and administrative work of other software engineer. The software engineer build the skills and expertise of his software engineering discipline to reach. So this, all those things is expected from a fresher only. The software engineer collaborates and acts as a team player. Okay, so this, all those. Okay, now who can apply? So friends, any graduate, right? See, software engineering is BE, BTech, ME, Mtech, MSC, MCA, these are basically eligible. So is the entry level in software engineering with a foundational understanding on programming concepts, software design and software development principle, consistently work to direction with reducing supervision, producing accurate and reliable results. They are expected to be eager to learn and know when to ask questions and check for understanding. Understands and follows work process, is aware of cost related to own work. So this reading is not required. Now you click on apply now. And okay, so don't apply through LinkedIn if you don't want. Okay, apply through the normal this thing only. And let's see where the page opens. So today is 10th and job is posted today itself. Okay, so here career opportunities, associate software engineer. So you can upload a CV, valid email, retype email ID, choose password and all those things. Okay, and then you will be able to select apply, right? Okay, so first upload a CV and then please apply here. So there is no problem at all, friends. This is the official website of Capgemini, and if you get selected, well and good. If it does not, no problem. See, we have to try our level best for each and every opportunity. Thank you, take care and all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video.